Hi, welcome back to our water break series, webinar number 4, the ease of insulation and how it's a game changer. With our George Fisher multi-joint restraint system, there's no need for special tools. Multi-joint 3000 plus system can be used in water and wastewater pipe networks and has standard features for a quick, safe, and simple connection without the need for special tools. A torque wrench is required to torque our standard 304 stainless steel hardware to the design torque listed on each coupling. Time-consuming and expensive costs occurred with welding, flanging, thrust blocks, and restraint harnesses are no longer required. George Fisher Multi-Joint has proven built-in restraint system that has been used globally for over 25 years and over 10 years in North America. With our George Fisher multi-joint system, there's a wide range of sizes. The George Fisher multi-joint restraint system is available in a wide range of sizes which meets the specifications of a wide variety of pipe materials and outside diameters of pipelines. Restraint connections can be carried out by means of our restraint pull-out resistance system, where the coupling can easily slide over the OD of the pipe during a repair or a new installation. GF multi-joint is the widest range stab fit restraint system able to connect all pipe materials in one coupling. Angularity is a huge feature with our George Fisher multi-joint. GF multi-joint restraint system has 16 degrees of deflection, 8 degrees per side, which is the largest deflection in the industry today. This helped make connecting pipes easier, as the two pipes can be deflected from each other and no longer required to dig further back on the pipe to help realign the pipe to pipe during a waterline break. Also helpful for new installations when laying pipe, as the two pipes at the end of the line are never fully aligned. The final connection will then need to have a restraint solution with angularity to be able to make these connections with each other. GF multi-joint restraint system has the market-leading angularity of 16 degrees, 8 degrees per side, to make these connections possible. With our George Fisher multi-joint system, you no longer have to use those historical restraint components, such as restraint harnesses, joint restraints with megalugs, threaded rods, thrust blocks, or grip rings. Let's take a look at our GF multi-joint system. With the GF multi-joint system, you get a flexible restraint system that gives you peace of mind. No matter the pipe material or configuration, GF multi-joint is your flexible restraint connection. Learn more in our final episode. Thank you and stay safe.